Welcome everybody, VST here, Velian Speaks Tech. Another video, another day, another great tip for the OnePlus 7 Pro. We'll probably also run on other OnePlus phones. This time guys, we have the following use case. You're sitting somewhere near your desk, somebody messages you, you hear the notification. Okay, so you know it's Viber or Telegram or Twitter, whatever, right? But then, you just lift up your phone and then you just get presented the ambient screen, right? So lift up, I see I have a notification, but I cannot read it because it's on the lock screen. So you need to unlock your phone, enable to read the notification. And in this video guys, I'm gonna show you a trick how you can easily solve this. Just sit down and relax. Alright, so there is an app called OnePlus Lift to Wake. You see here, OP Lift to Wake, okay? Once I enable the app guys, and I close my phone, somebody sends a notification, see what happens. Take up my phone, lift it, boom, you are presented now with your notification, right? So you can apparently directly lift up your phone and get to the lock screen. Let me just do it once more, right? You sit down at your desk, you're doing your business, you're minding your own business, you got some work to do, somebody messages you, you take up the phone, boom, notification is here. You don't need to go with a classic scenario, where you have to pick up the phone. And actually, let me just show you guys. I disabled this one here, right? So again, you are at your desk, minding your own business, you get a notification, boom, lift up the phone, nothing, it's a two-step process. Then I have to, again, when the screen's on, just press here and then eventually go and read the message, right? So if you want to install this OP Lift to Wake, it's a very simple process. There is a guy called BWX074, he's a junior member at XDA, and apparently, he developed that one, or I'm not sure, at least he's running about that one. So you just download this very simple APK, you install it on the phone. I'm going to be putting the link down below into the video description. Once you install it, you can either, just enable it or disable it, okay? One more time, you are sitting on your desk, you get a notification, you lift up your phone, and you directly go to your lock screen. No other steps involved. How crazy is this? Let me show you guys why. When you go in the stock setting, from the Oxygen OS, and you just type lift, you eventually are going to get guided to the ambient display. So apparently, when to show, pick up your phone to show, but then just show the ambient display and not the lock screen. And it's very annoying. And if you want to get to what I'm showing here on the screen, just install this Uplift Wake Up APK, and yeah, that's all. You're gonna be all set, guys. I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like it. With that said, VST over and bye.